puck, paddle, single, twin, triple, organic, and ceramic. These are all words that might ring a bell when talking about clutches, but do you know what they all mean? First things first, different clutches will use different types of materials on their contact area. Organic clutches are what you'll find in 99% of standard cars. Usually made up of resins, metallic modifiers, and rubber composites, they're long-lasting and don't put too much strain on the drivetrain system. You generally see two main types of organic clutch: woven organic and heavy-duty organic. A heavy-duty organic clutch adds in more metallic compounds to help make the clutch more resilient to heat and wear. On the other hand, a ceramic or cerametallic clutch is more suited to performance cars as they can absorb more heat and maintain performance much better than an organic equivalent. The drawback to this though is that they can be noisy, and the more harsh nature can degrade drivetrain parts quicker. Additionally, there are different clutch types. Aside from the most common full-face clutch, there's also often referred to as a puck or paddle clutch. These puck clutches have outcrops of material rather than having one large surface area. The purpose of this is that the reduction in surface area means that more pressure is put on each individual puck. This allows them to work more effectively, as certain materials need enough concentrated pressure to heat up effectively and not slip. So a 3 or 4 puck clutch will exert more pressure on each one of those puck surfaces than a 6 puck or full face clutch, allowing you to slip less. However, the trade-off to this is that they don't last long and engage much harder, almost like an on-off switch, due to their smaller surface area. Now, the amount of clutches used is also of note. Most cars will have just one clutch, but some will have two to help allow more power to be transmitted without slipping. Many high-power street and race cars can have 3 or more clutch discs. This increase in discs allows the force to be evenly distributed among the discs, so instead of having one clutch having to deal with 1,000 horsepower, 2 or more can help spread it out and lessen the chances of breaking parts. So now you know your pucks from your ceramics, what sort of clutch do you prefer to run?